all know that eating healthy is good for us, but sometimes it can be difficult to get your hands on the right foods. Check out our guide on how to eat these 10 superfoods every day and see how much better you feel in just a few weeks. Kale. Kale is rich in vitamins C, fiber, and iron. It's also full of antioxidants, which can help ward off the effects of aging. Spinach, like kale. Spinach is high in vitamins A and C. It's also rich in folate, which has been shown to lower risks of various cancers, including prostate cancer. Avocado. Avocado is a fruit most commonly associated with its fatty content. However, it is also a great source of many other nutrients, including potassium. It also contains generous amounts of fiber. Salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help prevent heart disease and reduce inflammation. This means that it's great for your brain as well. Stay with us to know how to boost your health. But before that, hit the subscribe button if you like this video to never miss our new plan to help you boost your metabolism. Apricots. Apricots are rich in beta-carotene, which the body can convert into vitamin A. Vitamin A has been shown to help fight certain cancers. Green tea. Green tea is full of antioxidants and catechins, which boost metabolism and can protect the body against damage caused by free radicals. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are high in fiber, protein, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These seeds are great for boosting energy, especially when you haven't eaten in a while. Pistachios. Pistachios are full of fiber, protein, antioxidants, and vitamin B6. This means that pistachios can help reduce your risk of heart disease and may also lower risks of certain cancers. Olive oil. Olive oil is full of monounsaturated fats, which has been shown to lower cholesterol levels. It can also lower your chances of developing breast cancer and diabetes. Everybody knows that eating healthy is good for us, but figuring out exactly what to eat can be difficult. We've put together a list for breakfast, lunch, and dinner that you can enjoy every day. All you need to do is take a few moments to make a change in your daily routine. 1 cup of red velvet pancakes. Pancakes are high in fiber, iron, and vitamins A and C. 1 cup of Thai curry. Curries are great for boosting energy, especially when you haven't eaten in a while. 1 cup of grilled chicken breast. Grilled chicken is packed full of protein, but it's also high in sodium. This means that it's best enjoyed as often as possible. 1 cup of brown rice. Whole grains are one of the most important superfoods you can shift towards. They are full of fiber, iron, B vitamins, and magnesium, which is perfect for boosting your metabolism. 1 cup of broccoli. Broccoli is rich in fiber and vitamin C, which can help protect against heart disease. 1 cup of black beans. Black beans are full of fiber, magnesium, and protein. This means that they're great for boosting energy levels as well as protecting against certain cancers. 1 cup of quinoa. Quinoa is high in fiber, iron, and magnesium, but it's also a great source of protein. What will happen to your health by eating good foods? Lean muscle. Eating a balanced diet will help you maintain your lean muscle mass and keep you healthy. Heart health. Eating a balanced diet can help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Brain health. Eating a balanced diet can keep your brain healthy and help prevent Alzheimer's disease. Everybody knows that eating healthy is good for your body, but figuring out what to eat can be difficult. Let's take a look at some of our favorite superfoods to boost your energy, nutrition, and life. 1 cup of cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is high in calcium, magnesium, and B vitamins, which can help keep your metabolism running smoothly. 1 cup of grapefruit. Grapefruits are packed full of vitamin C, which can help boost your immune system, lower cholesterol levels, and protect against cancer. 1 cup of oatmeal. Oatmeal is a great source of fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood sugar. 1/2 cup of quinoa. Quinoa is one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. It's packed full of fiber, protein, and B vitamins. Exercises will help you have better health too. Move. you should try to move as much as possible. If possible, take the stairs every day and go for a walk around the block at least once. Do activities that keep your heart rate up. Switch up. It can be hard to make time for exercise when your schedule is packed with commitments, but it's important to switch things up. Try doing a quick exercise session such as jumping jacks or alternating between squats and sit-ups. Eat. Healthy food is all around us. If you don't like to cook, try to pick up some takeout instead of eating pizza every night. Keep in mind, when you're trying to get healthy, it's easy to forget about all of the other things that you need to be doing, like going out with friends or having a good time, but don't let those things distract you from the work that needs to be done. Celebrate. You've made it through. Now that you've finished your healthy eating challenge, celebrate by having a meal with one of your friends. Keep going. Once you hit the end of your challenge, it's time to start a new one. That way you can keep making progress as often as possible. Give yourself a break if you're doing everything that you can. Remember not to be too hard on yourself when things don't go exactly as planned. All that matters is that you try your best. Remembering how far you've come will keep you motivated to stick with your healthy eating plan and stay on the right track for long-term health. There are many different diets and eating plans out there, but not all of them are good for you. To help you figure out which ones might be best for you, we've put together some ideas for every kind of diet imaginable. Atkins. This diet is based on cutting all carbohydrates from your diet and replacing them with protein. This means that you'll be eating tons of meat, eggs, and bacon. You'll also be avoiding bread and pastas because they're high in carbs. If a food isn't listed in the diet plan, then it's probably not allowed by the Atkins diet. Ketogenic. This is a popular weight loss plan that is based on eating lots of fat. It's not very flexible and is fairly restrictive, but if you commit to it, you can lose weight very quickly. There are various types of ketogenic diets, including the MCT diet, which focuses on fat and protein rather than carbs. Low carb. Low carb is an eating plan that allows for some carbs, but it's relatively restrictive. It's not a bad idea to follow your low-carb diet with an exercise plan in order to make sure that you're still getting optimum results from your diet. Mediterranean. This eating plan is popular among those who are looking for a healthy lifestyle, as well as giving their digestive systems time to heal. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned new things on how to eat. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to let us know if this worked for you and how it affected your body. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism and lose more weight, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.